Written Portuguese is not the same as spoken Portuguese. That's not. That's why you may understand written Portuguese and not spoken Portuguese. An example, there are some letters, for example, the letter X, that it's just one letter, right? But in Portuguese, we can pronounce it in very different ways. And how do you know when the X is X, when is S, when is Sh? There are different ways. Portuguese is not transparent. What does this mean? It means that we write a symbol, for example, X, and that symbol may represent different sounds, not just one. And sometimes different sounds can be just one sound can be represented with different symbols. For example, the word in English, enough, it has the sound enough, but we don't write with an F, it's with GH, right? Enough. There's no F there, but the sound is F, right? So when I talk about being transparent, is this. In Portuguese is not 100% transparent. 100% transparent will be Spanish, for example, because we have just one sound and just one way, one symbol to represent it. But in Portuguese, sometimes we have one syllable and different ways to pronounce it, or one sound and different ways to write that same sound. That's why written Portuguese is not the same as spoken Portuguese. And for that reason, if you are stick to written Portuguese, you won't understand spoken Portuguese, spoken real life. Well, if you are interested in this topic, and if you realize that this is the missing piece for you to finally have a successful conversation with a Portuguese, and if you understand what I say and it clicked to you, then you are in the right place.